All residents of British Columbia must register for BC Health Insurance, called the Medical Services Plan, or MSP. Enrollment is mandatory if you're a citizen or permanent resident of Canada who lives in BC and you're physically present in BC for at least 6 months of the year. This also includes international students and those on work visas. You'll need documents to register each person in your family. Permanent residents will need their record of landing, permanent resident card, or confirmation of permanent residence document. Temporary residents will need a temporary resident permit, work permit, or study permit. You can find the application for enrollment with MSP on the Ministry of Health Services website. There's also information there about MSP fees. The amount you'll need to pay depends on your income. Apply as soon as possible. There is a 3-month waiting period before your health insurance coverage will start. After your application has been approved, you'll get your MSP Care card in the mail. Always bring this card with you when you go to the doctor, hospital, or pharmacy. Congratulations! You now have health insurance. MSP provides coverage for most medical needs. Check the Ministry of Health Services website for information on what is and is not covered. In BC, there are 2 types of physicians: family doctors and specialists. Family doctors, also called general practitioners, are the first contact you should make if you have a medical problem. The BC College of Physicians and Surgeons website has a list of doctors who are accepting new patients. If you don't have a family doctor, you can see a doctor at a walk-in clinic. Clinics can be found in the phone book under Physicians by calling 811 or visiting HealthLink BC online. You must see a family doctor first to obtain a referral to a specialist. There are 2 different situations where you may want to consider buying private medical insurance. The first is when you first come to BC, as you're responsible for all medical costs before your MSP coverage begins. You can buy private medical insurance for this 3-month waiting period. You may also choose to buy private insurance to cover medical services not covered under MSP, such as dental, prescriptions, private hospital rooms, and ambulance. Look under Insurance in the phone book or search online to find a provider. There are programs available to help eligible lower-income earners. See the Health BC website for more information on premium assistance, pharmacare, and Healthy Kids programs. What should you do if you need medical attention immediately? If you have a serious accident or emergency, go to the emergency department at the nearest hospital. Bring your MSP Care card and an interpreter if needed. If you require an ambulance, call 911. The video on how to call 911 covers this in more detail.